Hey, what's poppin', nerds? So my gaming keyboard and mouse just came in. You can see how nice it looks, color white. I thought I bought that color, but still it's fine. So let me open it. Unboxing. I rarely buy keyboard and mouse for gaming. I just use a regular keyboard and mouse. That's how I roll with my gaming setup. Whoa, see the color, it's nice actually. But it's wired. I prefer wireless, but whatever, bro. Whatever. So as you can see, whoa, it's RGB. I've not just plugged it in. So see. So this is my mouse. So I'll remove the wire for the mouse. Oh, this feels nice. I'll be murdering people in Call of Duty, Tab Sheet, Fortnite. So let me plug it in to see if it works. Obviously it will work. That's a dumb question to ask. You see me plugging it into the wrong hole. So as you can see the color. Whoa, it works. See. Whoa, it changed color, so it's RGB. Cool. Wow. So let me plug the keyboard. Whoa, the keyboard is plugged in. Is there a switch? So why isn't the keyboard coming on? So the keyboard works. I don't know why the RGB light isn't coming on. Is there a, like on off switch for it? I've never used the gaming. It's actually lighter than the keyboards I own, but it's sleek, kind of cool actually. Now it's plugged all the way through. Is there like a button to switch on the RGB light? Because I'm a noob when it comes to gaming keyboards and mouse. Let me see. Whoa, the light is cool actually. This is really a gaming keyboard with it's light actually, lighter than the usual. This works immediately. Should I swap the wire? Let me see. Sorry for going dark on yours. So I don't know why the RGB light isn't working for that. Obviously, there's something I should have done. So this has scroll lock and the rest of it. So how does the RGB light come on? Let me see scroll lock. Let me see what scroll lock will do. Oh, see what the scroll lock does. So the scroll lock is what? Oh, I see what scroll lock does. So it's a scroll lock that activates the RGB lights. Cool. So thank you all nerds for watching. This is my PC build part 2. The first components have arrived for my gaming setup. Peace. Hadjuzus.